What's up guys, my name is Monish Satwani and you're watching my YouTube channel The Indian Wayfarer. Today we're going to be talking about the update in the drone laws in India. So yesterday I read a blog post that said that apparently from December 1st, the DGCA is going to be allowing us to legally fly drones in India for commercial purposes. But it's not going to be allowed for things like delivering food and goods. So the first thing that you guys need to know is that if this actually takes place on 1st December, you need to go to the DGCA website and register your drone and get a UIN for your drone, which is a unique identification number. And this is drone specific. This is not for you. This unique identification number is not for you, and you can't fly any drone with one code. You need to have a UIN for each drone that you own. So for easy understanding, it's not your driving license. It's a number plate for your car. Okay, so the second thing that you guys need to know is that the drones have been classified into 5 major categories, which are nano, micro, small, medium, and large. So the drone which I own, which is the DJI Mavic Air, falls in the micro category because it's above 250 grams and below 2 kgs. So you need to have a UIN to fly these drones legally in India. Also, let me tell you that all the DJI drones which are in the consumer category, or maybe most of them, fall under the division of micro drones which are classified in India. So as far as I know, there are only 4 types of drones in the DJI consumer category, which are Spark, Mavic Pro, Mavic Air, and the Phantom series. And all of these fall under the micro division. And unless you have the higher category drones which goes into the professional drones like the Inspire 2, which are probably even heavier than 2 kgs, you don't need to know any other laws apart from what we are discussing now for the micro ones. So the third thing that you guys need to know is that you need to take permission from the DGCA before every flight that you make with your drone. So how do you do this? There's basically going to be an app which the DGCA is going to release, and you guys need to put in the flight information like the altitude and where you're flying and what time you're going to be flying the drone, and the app is going to give you a permission to fly the drone, and you guys need to have it with you at all times while flying. So if any cops come and ask you if you have the permission, you'll be able to show it to them. And you don't have to worry about waiting too long for the permission. It's not going to take weeks. It's just 24 hours before your flight that you have to notify the DGCA. Because it's not a manual system, it's an automated system. The software has all the data stored of all the flights that are going to be happening at that particular time in that area. So you will be granted permission by the system automatically based on if the slot is free or not. Now the fourth thing that you need to know is that you need to be 18 plus to be operating a drone in India, and also you need to have a certification approved by the DGCA. Now I don't know the details on what is this certification going to be, and the other thing is that the pilot should have passed the 10th class English examination. So that's the eligibility of being a drone pilot in India. Also, the fifth thing is that as far as the other rules are concerned, which you already knew about, like not flying within 5 kilometers of the airport, not flying within 5 kilometers of any government bodies, not flying within 25 kilometers of international borders, and not flying around national parks or heritage sites. These rules still apply along with the new ones. I will be linking the article that I read yesterday down in the description. So if you guys want to explore more of it in detail, you can go ahead and do that, because I might have even missed some of the information that was important probably. So yeah, just do your research before flying. So I hope you like this video. If it helped you in any way, just hit the thumbs up button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you are notified when I upload next. Have fun flying your drone after December 1st, and it's a really good time to own a drone in India right now. And fly safe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.